I'm here with Christy in Chorus Marketing. Kind of unusual. Does this mean that you have harmony with your clients?
That's exactly what it means. We really do believe that you need to create an experience for your clients, and we take a 360-degree approach, and we make sure that throughout all of the branding that we're doing for our clients, we make sure that everything's unified and coming forth with the same message.
Now, how long have you been coming to Party Fest, and what would you say it's done for your business?
I've been coming to Party Fest for about the last 4 years, and as an experiential marketeer, I'm a big proponent of anything that will let me be face-to-face with my customers who normally are too busy to get in front of, because we're in the events industry, and it's very rare that we get together collectively and network together.
Did you say exponential marketeer?
I said experiential.
Experiential, as in experience. I was going to say, have you trademarked that yet? Because that's a pretty good phrase.
Well, thank you. No, I'd like to dedicate that to the marketeers before me.
Let's all hail the three marketeers. Hip, hip, hooray.
All hail. Hip, hip, hooray.